Hi, and welcome to this video. In this video, I'll show you how to never get shut down on Monopoly Go. First, what you're going to do is, with the current board that you are at, go ahead and upgrade all of the landmarks so you can move on to the next board and start fresh. As you start fresh, do not build or upgrade any of your landmarks. You leave it that way, and then you'll just have to play as normal. Now, if you don't have any landmark, of course, there's nothing to get hit, so you'll never get shut down. Now you'll be able to save shields since again it can't be used because there's nothing to shield it from since you're not building landmarks. Now you'll be able to stack up money so when the wheel boost comes, as you start landing on it, you'll get twice as much, more rolls, more stickers, and so on. Now, just be careful, as it is true that you can get robbed of that huge money that you've saved up, especially on Mega Heist. Now, once the event ends, go ahead and build and upgrade all of your landmarks and then start fresh again with a new board. And that's it. That's how you never get shut down on Monopoly Go. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel.